Hey everybody, it's Rob, and today we're going to talk about how you make buttons. So this has been a hobby of mine since, gosh, I was a teenager, and as you can see, I'm not a teenager anymore, but it's still a wonderful hobby that I enjoy, and I hope you enjoy this little informational video about how they're made. So let's take a look. So the first thing is, we are making buttons today to give away for the upcoming total eclipse here in the United States on April the 8th. And so to do that, we are using one of these machines. This is a Badge-A-Matic II Model 1800 automatic button maker. It's made by the Badge-A-Minit folks. They have been around since the early 1970s. They're who I have been buying stuff from for decades. And so their website's at badgeaminit, minit.com if you're curious. Now this particular machine, I don't believe is made anymore. They mostly focus on more handheld units. However, if you're interested in something like this, you can find it on eBay and whatnot. Now this is nothing more than a die press. So the front here is a two-stage die press mechanism, which we'll see working in a moment. And back behind all this plastic back here, this is a very heavy machine, because back here there is a lot of counterweights for the die press, because you have to have quite a bit of pressure to get these buttons coming out consistent and everything. So let's take a look and we can see how it works here real quick. So there's three parts to a button. There is what is called the back, the pin part. This is the part that goes on your shirt, purse, cubicle wall, hat, wherever you want to pin it at. So that goes in first. It's always fun to try and line it up, because you want to make sure your button's not upside down. Then there's the shell. Now this is the part that the front of the button, which the design and everything else is going to set on here in a second. Now you can make actually different things with this machine. So I can make keychains, I can make magnets, I can make like the little inserts that go in, like ribbons you might get at the state fair or something. And the front part's always the same. So this part's always the same. It's the back that changes. And in future videos, I'll get some of those out and show you. So we have those two parts in. Now the final two pieces we need is the cut design. Now these are 2 1/4 inch buttons we're making, which is a standard size for them. And there is the design here, which has been printed out and cut out. Now you can use different ways to cut these out. There's handheld tools that will cut them out for you. There's automatic machines. This was cut out on an automatic machine, which we'll show in future videos as well. And then there is the Mylar protectant that goes on top. Not only does it protect the design and everything, it gives your button a little bit of shine as well. So we're going to take that. We are going to put it in the machine. And usually it's pretty easy. This all drops in. Now I'm holding a phone too, so I'm videoing this, so it's a little different. A little more thing. So now what we're going to do is, it's in here. This normally has a safety on it, because again, this is a die press. So you don't want this coming down your fingers, because as someone who's had that happen once before, it hurts, and it hurts a lot. So there is a safety mechanism here. For purposes of this video, we have overridden that safety mechanism. I strongly suggest you don't do that in real life. So let's see it in action. So you're going to notice this is a two-part action. The first part is taking, and you'll notice the design disappeared. So the first part there, and you see how quick it was, it actually crimped the design and the Mylar together and pulled that up. And there, you didn't see it because it happened so fast, but this actually moved over. There's a little switching mechanism and everything. And then it came down again to take the Mylar, the design, and the front, and actually crimp it against the back. And so when it comes out, you can see it is your finished button. You can see the crimping that takes place around it. very secure so it doesn't fall out. And now your button is ready to give away. Some people sell them, whatnot, or for whatever occasion you might want. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how we make buttons here. And for those of you watching this before the April 8th eclipse, I hope you enjoy the eclipse. Talk to you soon. Bye.